Good morning, class 4. Hope you are fine at home. So, kindly open page number 20, chapter number 5. Now, in this chapter, you will learn about the gender, feminine gender, masculine gender, neuter gender, common gender. Let's see gender. It is a certain that a noun can be a male, a female, either of a male or female or non-living thing. These are the gender of nouns. Amit is a student. He is an intelligent boy. Ishka studies in 4th class. She lives in Delhi. I have a bed. It is made up of wood. Mr. Verma is teaching us. She is a good teacher. Masculine gender, a noun that refers to a male, is said to be masculine gender. Boy, brother, dog, author, tiger, etc. Feminine gender क्या है? A noun that refers to a female is said to be feminine gender. Example: girl, sister, bitch, authoress, tiger, etc. A noun is refers to female is said to be feminine gender. Example: girl, sister, bitch, authors, tiger, etc. Neuter gender, a noun that refers to non-living thing is said to be neuter gender. Example: bat, wood, books, pen, table, road, etc. Common gender, a noun that refers to both female and male is said to be common gender. Example: teacher, doctor, friend, bird, child, etc. ये फेमिनाइन है एंड मस्कुलाइन भी है. Observe how to change a masculine into a feminine gender by adding es to masculine. es देखिए यहाँ पे लगा है तो ये चेंज हो जा रहा है. author, authoress, lion, lioness, mayor, mayoress, poet, poetess, host, host, giant, giantess, shepherd, shepherds, major, mentor, managers. By dropping a vowel and adding es. Actor, actress, waiter, waitress, governor, governess, princess, master, masteress, hunter, huntress, judge, duchess, emperor, empress, tiger, tigress, enchantress, lion, lioness. By using different words: boy, girl, bull, cow, gentleman, lady, cock, hen, bridegroom, bride, man, woman, sir, madam, king, queen, husband, wife, brother, sister, heroine, fox, vixen, dog, bitch, uncle, aunt, father, mother, husband, wife, monk, nun, son, daughter, nephew, niece. By changing the masculine word into feminine word: son-in-law, daughter-in-law, peacock, peahen, grandfather, grandmother, salesman, saleswoman, stepfather, stepmother, landlord, landlady, mother, man, servant, maid servant, milkman, milkmaid, grandson, granddaughter, fisherman, fisherwoman. ओके, कुछ ऐसे हैं जो by adding a word to the common gender we form masculine and feminine gender. Servant, man servant, jacket, policeman, friend, boyfriend. Goat, wolf, car, bear, he baby. Feminine, maid, servant. Jenny as policewoman, girlfriend. She goat, cow, girl. She bear, she baby. Okay. Write the opposite of the gender. आपको opposite लिखना है. Tiger, tigress, wolf, cow. Milkman, milkwoman. Poetess, poets. Mayor, hour. Stepfather, stepmother. Lady, lord. Monk, nun. Fox, vixen. Peahen, peacock. Uncle, aunt. Granddaughter, grandson. Fisherman, fisherwoman. Cow, bull. Man, sir. Madam, sir. Waiter, waitress. Host, host. Mother, brother, sister. State the correct gender of the following noun. Watchman, masculine gender है. Tigress, feminine. Hunter, masculine. Actor, masculine. Poet, masculine. Hen, feminine. Uncle, masculine. Bird, common. Road, neuter, feminine. Sister, emperor, feminine. Enemy, common. Dog, masculine. Salesman, masculine. He goat, masculine. And heroine, feminine. Okay. Rewrite the sentences changing the gender. आपको ये होमवर्क करना है कॉपी में. ओके, ये नहीं करना, ओनली सी पार्ट. मैच द मस्कुलाइन टू देयर फेमिनाइन जेंडर. ये भी आपको कॉपी में करना है, होमवर्क है. डू इन योर copy. Thank you class for listening this video. Take care. Bye.